Hi friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel with a new lesson. Today we are going to learn another two parts of speech, which are conjunctions and interjections. We are going to see their definitions, their types, and also examples. So the lesson of today is very easy. Keep watching. Starting first with conjunctions. So conjunction is a part of speech that have the role of connecting words, phrases, or clauses. And there are two types of conjunctions. The first type is coordinating conjunctions. They connect two words, two phrases, or two clauses, and they are known as fanboys. The word fanboys is an acronym that gathers all the coordinating conjunctions. I mean, each letter of the word fanboy, represents the first letter of each coordinating conjunction, i.e., F is for, A is and, N is nor, B is but, O is or, Y is yet, and S is so. And they connect ideas in different ways, in the sense that for explains a reason or purpose, and combines two or more positive ideas, nor combines two or more negative ideas, but connects two or more true but contrasting ideas, or presents a choice between ideas, yet connects two or more ideas somewhat contrasted, and also so shows an effect or a result. Moving now to the second type, which is subordinating conjunctions. So the subordinating conjunctions join two clauses, only clauses, not phrases and not words. So they join clauses by making one clause subordinate to or dependent on the other clause. For example, we might get wet because it's raining. So the first clause, which is we might get wet, is called the main clause. And the second clause is, which is because it's raining, is called subordinate clause because it's dependent on the first clause. You will understand the clauses very well in the lesson of clauses, inshallah. So because is the subordinating conjunction. It links the second clause to the first clause. And we say that there is a cause and effect relationship between the two clauses. This table summarizes the most common subordinating conjunctions in English. And be aware, this is not the complete list. They are just the most used ones. This is all about conjunctions. Moving now to interjections. So an interjection is a word that expresses the speaker's emotions and feelings. I mean, the speaker can show their anger, happiness, or surprise while talking by using the interjections. Generally, interjections are used at the beginning of the sentence, but they may come anywhere in the sentence. They are used only in informal situations. I mean, they are avoided in writings and academic situations. This table summarizes the most popular interjections in English. Well, that's all for the lesson of today. Hope it was clear for you. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. And as usual, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends interested in learning grammar. And subscribe to my channel to receive the coming lessons. There will be plenty of lessons about the English grammar, inshallah. So see you next week, inshallah. Goodbye.